This series is all about the Msty Studio Toolbox. If you've heard of MCP or Model Context Protocol and are wondering how to leverage that within the Msty Studio ecosystem, this series is for you. We're going to update this series with new features, new enhancements that we have with the Msty Studio environment. And if you don't know what MCP is, I think this will be a good opportunity for you to learn a little more and to see how you could leverage it. At a high level, what MCP is just think of an API, think of a way to integrate your LLM with other systems. And that can mean integrate it with data sources to provide your LLM more data, more context, as well as a way to provide tools for your LLM to use. For instance, if you're wanting to set up something that acts a little more as an assistant for you, as an agent that is going to be able to integrate with different systems and perform specific actions, again, this is what you can look forward to in Msty Studio's Toolbox. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of a preview. Click on Toolbox on the left column right there, and I'm going to show you how you can import a default list of tools into your toolbox, as well as how you can search and add your own tools, such as the Google Calendar I've added at the very bottom. And let me give you a quick demo of the Google Calendar. I'm going to X out of this. In the conversation window right here, you'll notice this little toolset icon. So if we click on that, we can go in and click on a tool set that we created. And I've already created this calendar one, but what I want to actually show you is something a little more advanced than that. It's actually more of an assistant. So clicking on the @ icon, we're going to bring up the personas list. And at the very bottom, I created this daily calendar assistant. And what I did here is I created this whole persona for a calendar assistant wrapped around the Google Calendar tool that I've added into my toolbox. If I click on the up arrow icon right here, it's going to send a prompt to the model that I have selected. And essentially what just happened here is within this prompt that I just sent over to my model, I basically just said, hey, I want to know what is going on for the remainder of today, as well as the remainder of this week. And so the model took in this prompt and sees that it has this tool available, which is for Google Calendar, and basically used the tool to retrieve information from the Google Calendar asking, hey, what are the remainder scheduled items for today, given this time period, and then also for the remainder of this week, again, given this date range, and return those results to me so that I could format them and present them in this conversation chat right here. So that's what we see. We see the remainder of items I have on my calendar today, as well as the remainder of items I have for this week. So with this quick demo, you could already see how powerful this is, where a model could leverage this integration and pull data and present it to you within your chats. And this is what you have to look forward to within this series. I'm going to show you how to get to this point with the Google Calendar example here, as well as showcase other MCP integrations as well. Keep an eye on this series. It's going to be awesome.